Alright, so today I want to do a little touch-up paint here and there, do some little other painting, some other details and stuff. One is these cylinders. They shouldn't be red. Alright, they're hydraulic cylinders. So, they should be silver. It was easy before, I could just flop things around. Now I have to worry about scratching paint. Yep, now we'll run this guy onto here. Alright, now let's get these into place. I did pull that white wire off of here too, if you hadn't noticed. Looks a little cleaner without the white one in there too. Alright, so now I've got that run. It is time to start putting some electronics back in. So, let's see here. See if I want to trim anything out while I'm here. I guess first order of business, let's get the switch put back in. That is in there nice and solid. Alright, so the next order of business, really could just go on the front edge because the other spot is hanging out over space. So, and this tape is just the tape that came with the MFC-01. I had more than enough. Far forward as we can, just a hair off the wall, and stick it. Now we have these bunch of things. I don't know how well sticky and electrical tape's going to work, but we'll give it a shot. Alright, sticky tape there. And I'm not going to cram it right against the wall. Alright, now that we have that, let's get these neatened up a little bit. That would probably work out great if this wire were just a little bit longer. So let's do that. Not quite. Oh yeah, that's sorted nicely now. Now this wire's a little silly long. Alright, now gotta make my little black panels that'll cover that up. So I'm gonna use this. It's styrene, and it's a very thin styrene at that. So it'll be super easy. So really I don't even want it to necessarily fill the whole side. I just want it to cover the holes. That way you don't see the ESC flashing and whatever else. So now for these flat black parts, I'm just going to double sticky them into place also. Just going to slide them all as far back as I can and as far down to the bottom as I can, and stick them in there. Got the lid. Could honestly just stay like that. I don't even need the screw, huh? That works, man. And now let's do a couple little tiny black touch-ups. So the little knobs. And my little plug cover. All right, and that's gonna be it for today. All right, so there you have it. That's as far as it's going to get today. This is all put back together. All the electronics are back in it. It's all painted up. It's pretty. It's ready to do some work as soon as I get the rest of the trailer hooked up.